One of the best baits to have tied on in the late winter and early spring while fishing for big Florida bass that are staging in the grass is a shallow running jerkbait as pictured here. Warning, be ready to catch some big bass.
That's a big one, Tom. I mean a big one. Exactly the spot. This is the spot, man. That is a, beast. If you stay on, I just lost one earlier. I don't think this big though.
Yeah, that's a nice fish.
Woo.
He ain't very fat though.
Oh, she's skinny.
Big ass head. Skinny mini.
I mean, she got the whole jerkbait in her mouth. Just T-boned it. That right there is why you throw the jerkbait in early spring. Definitely looking to spawn because she got the red lipstick on. Look at that. See that red lip? Yeah, she's skinny though. She doesn't have her eggs in yet.
But look at her tail, how it's bulged there.
Uh-huh. Right here.
Right before the tail. Yeah, right there.
Yeah, it's like a something in there. She's not in great health. She's a pig. Whew.